Are you still creating basting stitches just to get your gathers and your shirts? These are all you need. Yes, you have the varieties for industrial, domestic and vintage sewing machine. Okay, now this is P50. This is an industrial sewing machine foot for gathering. This groove right under it aids it to make gathers that you need. Now this is another industrial sewing machine foot, P5. This does two things. It gathers and attaches the gather to your skirt or your dress or whatever project you're creating. That's the essence of that groove in the front. Now, if you're talking about domestic sewing machines, vintage sewing machines, this foot is for you. Okay, it does two things for you also. It gathers and attaches the gather to your project. Now, why are you stressing yourself? Why don't you invest in these presser foots? Now, if this interests you, let me show you how to use them on your sewing machine.